Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you are enjoying all of these Vlogmas videos that I've been posting each day this month. It has been so fun. For today, I'm doing a collaboration. I was asked by Joe and Christy from Keeping Up with the Griffins to do a collaboration with a bunch of other YouTubers. So I'm going to put their channel in the description box. Check that out. They have a wonderful channel. Their family is so cute and they do so many fun activities. So check them out. They're wonderful. But for the collaboration that they wanted to do is called Holly Jolly Sweets. So we're doing all kinds of holiday sweets and everybody will be posting some really great holiday recipes. So make sure you check all of those out. I am going to make, you guys know if you've been around my channel before, that most of my recipes are keto friendly. So if you're new, my recipes are healthy, keto, simple. And also if you're new, click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification when I post a new video. So like I said, videos every day this month to celebrate the holidays, and I'm having so much fun. So for my Holly Jolly Sweets video, I'm going to be doing a keto ice cream. So I make ice cream in my mason jar and I freeze it in the freezer and it comes out so good and it's so easy, you guys. Really great to make during the summer, of course, but I wanted to make a candy cane ice cream. So I have my candy canes, and then it is monk fruit sweetener. If you are not worried about keto at all, you can just use regular sugar. And I have peppermint extract, and then I have heavy whipping cream that's in my fridge, so I'll have to grab that out. And I'm just gonna put everything in my mason jars, I'll shake it all up. I'm going to crush up the candy cane in my NutriBullet, and then it'll go into my ice cream. So this will be so good, such a great, healthy, sweet treat. Definitely feels like you're indulging a bunch, but so good. So I will put the ingredients and the sizes of all portion sizes in the description box, so check that out if you want to make these. Also, like I said, I will link Keeping Up with the Griffins channel. It is wonderful. Please check it out, give them some support. And I'm going to make up this peppermint keto ice cream in my mason jars. It's gonna be delicious. So thanks so much for watching this one. I will show you how I make the ice cream. So I have my NutriBullet and I am just gonna break up the candy canes. I've taken them out of the wrappers. So I have about 4 or 5 candy canes. I'm gonna make some extra, like I said, for my candy cane martini later this week. I'm just gonna crush these up. It only takes a second. It's gonna be a nice little powder. And there'll be some chunks in there. I want to save some chunks for it, but it's nice and powdery and it is going to be so perfect for this ice cream. So I have my mason jars and I just like to use the smaller ones. I have my silicone measuring cup, which I love for liquid. I got these on Amazon. I use them all the time, so I will link these in the description box, but they're really wonderful to have. So I'm going to use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream for each little mason jar, and this makes a really great portion size also. About half of one of these is a really great portion size for me, but if you're gonna eat the whole thing, that's okay too. It's not that huge. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. If you are not on keto, you can definitely use just a regular sugar. Turns out exactly the same, but just I use the monk fruit to keep it keto friendly. It's a 0 calorie sweetener. So I'm going to add in now 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract just to give it a little extra peppermint flavors, because we want to make it super peppermint and fun for the holidays. So I'm going to screw my caps on to each one, and then I'm going to shake these for about 2 minutes, and it's going to get them nice and thick, and they'll be ready for the crushed candy cane. All right, so these are so fun to shake. So I want to shake them for about 2 minutes each before I add in the candy cane pieces. That way the pieces won't just sink to the bottom. This will already start thickening up. So it's also a good workout too. Keep shaking these. Nice workout while you're making a sweet dessert. So I've been shaking these for about 2 minutes. All right, so I'm going to put in my candy cane pieces I'll shake it a little more, and then I'm gonna put these in the freezer for about an hour, and they will be so perfect. I'm just gonna pour about half in here. I'm gonna save a little bit. I'm gonna make a candy cane martini later this week, so I'm gonna save some of these crumbs for that. Check that video out, it will be delicious. So, got that. Give it another shake. And then these are ready to go in the freezer. So good, so easy, fun. You can make these with the kids. I've made these before with crushed up Oreos, Oreos, Reese's Pieces. Oh my gosh, the options are endless. So I'm gonna shake these for just another minute. I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and then once they're all ready, I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. All right, you guys, I just pulled out my peppermint keto ice cream made in my mason jars. If you guys have been around my channel for a while, you know how much I love mason jars. I do my layered salads, my little omelets in a jar. So anyways, this ice cream is totally frozen, and it is, I'm gonna take a little spoon and give it a try. So I don't know if you can see it really well. I'll try and zoom in. But oh my gosh, so good. You guys, it's so good. So I'm gonna scoop it out, put it into my bowl, and this is so good. I had so much fun doing this collab with Keeping Up with the Griffins. Their channel is so awesome, so go check it out. I am going to enjoy this little bowl of peppermint candy cane keto ice cream. You guys, it is so good and just perfect for the holidays. So hope you have a great day. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and click that bell button so you get a notification each time I post a new video. Hope that you have a wonderful week. Like I said, I really enjoyed doing this collab with the Griffins, and I can't wait to do another one. And celebrating the holidays is so much fun by doing a video every day for Vlogmas. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.